Okay, Luke, say baby.
Baby.
Say mommy. Mommy.
Happy birthday.
Say mommy. Or daddy.
Mommy.
Good boy. Daddy.
Daddy.
Good. Say PJ.
Teacher.
Good boy. Say auntie.
Auntie.
Good boy. Say love you.
Bye.
Say hello.
Hello.
Say Lily. Say Lily. Lily. Say Lily. Say Lily.
Lily.
Good boy. Any other words you could say?
Say I love you.
Bye. Delicious.
Teacher.